Gusto Tax Software Review Usage Experience. Gusto is a comprehensive online payroll and human resources HR platform designed to simplify payroll processing, tax filings, and benefit administration for startup and small to medium-sized businesses. And here are the key features about this platform, which is a full-service payroll, employees self-service, and benefit administration with time tracking. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the pros, they offer a user-free interface with a comprehensive payroll services and a employee onboarding, which allows new hired to enter their information directly, streamlining the onboarding process, and also transparent pricing. They offer a clear pricing structure with no hidden fee, making it accessible for small businesses. And here's the downside, which is the limited advanced features, which may lack some advanced functionalities required by larger enterprise with complex payroll need, and also additional cost for ads on. So features like multi-state payroll and advanced HR tools may require higher price plan or additional fee. And also mobile access limitation. While mobile access is available, some users find it less intuitive compared to the desktop version. And here the overall conclusion about Gusto. Gusto is a robust payroll and HR solution idea for smaller to medium-sized businesses seeking to streamline payroll processing and benefit administration. Its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features make it a valuable tool for simplifying complex tasks. However, larger organization with more increased requirements may need to employ additional functionalities to consider alternative solution.